In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Steam profile in just 5 minutes. Steam, as we all know, is not just an application, but a vibrant platform that connects millions of gamers around the world. Your profile on Steam is like your personal gaming identity, and upgrading it can really make you stand out in the community. So let's dive right into the steps and get your profile looking top notch. First off, launch your Steam app. You can find it on your desktop or search for it using your computer's search function. Opening the app is the first step toward accessing all the amazing customization options Steam has to offer. Once the app is open, you'll want to click on the login button, which is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This leads you to your account credentials page. Go ahead and enter your account name and password. It's crucial to ensure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. Remember to keep your login information secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now that you're logged in, click on the sign in button to proceed. With that, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. Here you can see your library, store options and community features. It's the main hub from which you can manage your gaming activities. Next, click on your profile name. You'll typically find this at the top of the screen. Clicking on your profile name gives you access to your public profile, where you can see information such as achievements, badges, and friends. On your profile page, select the View My Profile option. This will allow you to see what others see when they look at your profile, and it's the part we're going to upgrade. After you've opened your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. This feature opens up a variety of customization options that let you personalize both your identity and your appearance on the platform. Now, let's add some pizzazz to your profile. Click on the Steam Points shop. This is where you can spend the points you've earned through purchases and activities on Steam. Points can be spent on customizing your profile with new backgrounds and effects. Head over to Game Profiles in the Points shop. This section offers profile bundles and themes designed around different games. They're a fun way to showcase your favorite games on your profile. Once you're in the Game Profiles section, select the Dying Light 2 Stay Human Profile option. Keep in mind, to apply these features to your profile, you'll need to purchase them for 10,000 Steam points. Make sure you have enough points, or you can earn more by buying games and gaining achievements. Once you've made the purchase, the theme is added to your profile and can transform it with striking visuals and themes related to Dying Light 2. It's a great way to reflect your unique gaming style, and that's it. With these steps, you've successfully upgraded your Steam profile, giving it a fresh new look in just a few minutes. Enjoy showcasing your vibrant, personalized Steam presence.